This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Claudia Ogrizek. Cute and very bright new construction home with very easy access to I-85 in downtown Gastonia. Open concept main floor features white kitchen cabinets and granite countertops and a peninsula, great storage and a closet laundry. Upstairs you will find the primary room and 2 guest bedrooms. All bathrooms in the house have granite countertops as well. Don't miss the chance to make this house your home. For more information, review the details below.